Assalamualaikum and greetings. I am AZZHAD AZIB bin Ahmad AZLI. Today, I would like to present my thesis entitled Optimization of Injection Molding Parameters for Virgin Polypropylene Plastic Material under the supervisor of Mr. Saleh bin Abu Hassan. These slides will cover introduction, literature review, methodology, and conclusion. So let's begin with the introduction. So nowadays, plastic manufacturing is one of the largest manufacturing engineering, commonly using injection molding. So injection molding used to create components from plastic material, both thermoplastic and thermoset. So the final product quality are the most important thing in order to achieve certain characteristic based on customers' demand. So to get the result, parameters are very important for engineers to improve the productivity of the injection molding process. So these are the objective of this thesis. First, to investigate the most significant injection molding process parameter based on the tensile strength of virgin polypropylene. Next, to optimize the combination of injection molding process parameter for virgin PP. And lastly, to determine the process factor ranking of PP. For the problem statement, I found that manufacturers need to reduce costs in order to sustain in the market. So next, tensile strength of a material will always be customer concern in order to get high quality product. The scope of this research consists the material of virgin propylene, the process of injection molding machine, the injection molding process parameter, which is cooling time, packing time, injection speed, packing pressure, mold temperature. Next, Taguchi optimization is very crucial in order to design the experiment. And last, the study of the ultimate mechanical properties, which is tensile strength. This thesis is very important to improve the process parameter of injection molding, to give a guideline in plastic industry, to gain a new knowledge about plastic to be used in manufacturing plastic. Literature review will cover topics about injection molding machine. Injection molding machine start invented in 1872. In that time, it was used to machine shape button, packs, and similar objects by Asaya and John Yard. In World War II, plastic manufacturing started to get popular from various type of industry. So basically, injection molding process consists of four process: clamping, injection, cooling, and ejection. So the machine works um, via a plastic granule fed to a hopper into the barrel and heated into a molten state. Then the molten will be pushed by a motorized screw to the cavity
through gates and hot runners. Then the product is being cooled in the cavity before ejected. So the final quality are based on how the parameters are setting, like injection speed, mold temperature, holding time, and many others. One of the important topic in literature review is the material itself, which is polypropylene. So, what is polypropylene? Polypropylene is a monomer of propylene via chain growth polymerization. It also has been classified as one of the commodity plastic. So, commodity plastic usually used for mass manufacturing. And polypropylene, although polypropylene is semi-crystalline material, it is easy to manufacture. Next slides will describe about the process planning of this thesis, how the material will be prepared, how to design the experiment, and how to get all the information. For material preparation, basically we need to prepare the material itself, which is virgin polypropylene in the range of 25 kg to 50 kg. And next, we use Taguchi method to design the experiment. So the first step in Taguchi method, we need to determine the level of each parameter. So there are two levels in every parameter. So with that two level, we construct an orthogonal array table with 8 design experiments. So the level will randomly constructed on the orthogonal array table. In the design experiment, 5 samples will be taken from each experiment, which means 40 samples in total. After all the data has been set, we set the injection molding machine. For the tensile test, we run this tensile test to determine the tensile strength of the material. So 40 tensile strength will be determined by using the ASTM D638 standard specimen. So after the data from tensile test has been determined, we start to analyze the data. So the data will be analyzed by using Minitab. In Minitab, we choose the Taguchi optimization method with L8 design experiment. So after all the data been put in the Minitab, it will generate information like variance of mean, which will be the information of our objective. After all the information are gathered, we are able to determine which process parameter is the most significant. Next, the rank of each process parameter are also identified. And last but not least, optimum combination of process parameter of injection molding for PP will be determined. With that being said, that is all for me. Thank you.